sasabihin natin ng OBA 3 beses.
Okay lang ba yun?
Okay lang ba yun?
Okay lang yan sa inyo? Yes or yes?
Kung
Once
hindi,
again, Payaman, OBA, OBA, okay? 1, 2, ready? Payaman!
OBA! OBA! OBA!
Grabe! So ngayon, coach, siguro, yes, let's check
Grabe.
kung taga saan kaya sila.
Yes.
Tayo, mag-check tayo dito.
Dito kasi maraming mga mamis.
Yes, meron bang mga taga Luzon?
Meron bang taga Luzon dito?
Luzon,
Sino taga
shout out!
Luzon?
Hello, Luzon!
Nandito ba ang taga Visayas?
Habot naman ng mga pista! Mindanao! Alright, grabe, coach. Ngayon naman, syempre, dito na tayo.
Dito na.
Dito na.
Dito na magkakaalaman kung sino
Yes.
talaga ang mga dancer ng
Yes.
OBA.
Ang tanong, gusto mo bang manalo ng prizes?
Gusto nyo bang manalo ng prizes?
Of course, ngayon, show your talent. Kasi mamimili kami ng at least 10.
10.
Sino pa yung meron bang mga ano dito? Sige, dyan ka. Ako
Oh,
naman,
dito ako.
Ako dyan. Dito ka naman.
dito ako.
Sige, go. Okay, show your talent. May mga talented ba dito na side? Ay, walang energy. Walang energy. Show your talent. Meron bang sasayaw dito? Huwag niyo ko ipahiya. Okay? Or ako ang mamimili. Ako ang mamili. Ayun, meron daw dito, coach.
Ikaw mauna muna. Ikaw mauna.
Okay. Technical director, please prepare our music. Kasi andito na si ma'am. O, halito ka daw. Come here. Yes, alito rin. Budots daw, budots. O, alito rin, ma'am. O, mag-ingay ang team! Okay, ready na ba ang ating music? Okay, ma'am. Kindly introduce yourself. Grabe. Wala pa, ma'am. Wala pa ta nag-ready. Wala pa. Okay? Sige, what's your name? Josephine Tigley. Okay, from what team? Ape! Yan, Ape! Naniniwala ba kayo na talented talaga to? Are you sure? Be, sige nga, twerk ka! 1, 2, ready, go! Twerk! Back, show, go!
Grabe. Hindi
Grabe.
basta-basta.
Hindi basta-basta.
Coach, para kang wati. Alam mo ba yung wati?
Okay, sige, ngayon, andito ko muna. Hindi pa
Dito
tayo
muna,
tapos.
coach. Dito muna, coach.
Okay na po ba yung ating music sa ating candidate number? Ay, hindi. Dapat mag-isa ka lang.
Oo,
Ito nga daw.
mag-isa
Ito
lang.
nga daw. Sino yung isa? Oh, saan yung isa? Saan yung, coach dyan? Saan yung pangbato mo dyan?
Andito.
Oh, andito na. May isa na.
Kuha ako
Bibira
ng isa.
Oh, sige. Pipili kami ng isa sa inyo,
Oh, andito,
ha?
andito. Dali, coach.
Oh, meron pa dito.
Ito na, coach.
Okay, mamimili tayo dito. Meron ba
Yan.
sa'yo sa likod? Sa likod, meron ba? Ay, wala. Mahina nga sa likod. Are you still there? Alright! Grabe, no? Ready,
Ayan.
ready na. Ay, teka. Isa-isa ra ba? Isa-isa ra?
Oy,
Okay, andito na
isa-isa
sila.
lang tayo, ha? Bakit tumakbo na kayo?
Basto mo na. Pipili ako
Kami
dito.
ang lalapit sa inyo.
Oo, lahat
Ha?
na kayo, ha? Ito kayo, alin dito,
Oo.
te. Sige. Ready na ba yung ating music? Technical director? Okay, ready? 1. Budots daw. Nag-request ng budots. Meron tayong budots dyan. Sige.
Ayan.
Ah.
Andito naman ang pangbato ko. Meron si Piolo.
Okay.
Piolo Ascal.
Oo. Kailangan. Anong music yung request mo, ma'am?
Budots remix.
Ayan.
Budots daw, technical director.
Huwag niyo ako
budots
ipapahiya, ha?
daw.
Huwag niyo ako ipapahiya. Ha?
Okay. Sige.
Sige.
Pipili kami ng dalawa dito.
Dalawa.
Tapos akyat sa stage kasi.
Akyat na, oo,
akyat
sige.
sa stage. Okay, ready? Music Maestro! Hey!
Pak.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey! Ala!
Hey! Wala ka
Pak.
na more! More!
Pak.
Hey! Hey!
Ala ka! Hoy! Patay! Ginawa ko!
Pasok ka na! Punta ka sa
Pasok ka na,
stage!
coach!
Ay,
Hoy! Huwag kay apel, coach!
halika dito, ate! Hindi ka
Hindi ka
kasama!
sa... Mamaya ka, coach! Wala pa, wala pa! Wala pa!
Okay, sige.
Oh, sige pa, sige pa!
Meron pa ba dito? Pili muna tayo ng ano.
Pili muna tayo.
Meron pa dito sa likod? Okay, sige, halika dito. Alright. Sige, bonus music maestro. Hey, 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 hey. Pasok ka na. Punta ka sa stage.
Coach, nandito naman! Dito naman! Meron tayong isa! Meron tayong isa dito! Sige! Coach! andito.
Meron ba dyan?
Meron dito.
Hindi kita makita, Coach Jan. Where are you?
Andito ako. Dito.
Okay. Ilan na? 4 na.
Dito.
O sige nga, andito tayo. Okay, music!
Oh, pasok na yan.
Meron pa ba? Okay, we still have
5.
last 5. Meron pa ba mga pambato dyan? Saan? Andito, halika dito. Okay, music! Oh, tama na. Doon ka na. Tama na.
Ayan, andito na
Okay.
naman. Saya, andito. Sige. Music. Wow. Patay. Ginoo ko.
Ang laki, grabe na yan.
Sige,
Oh,
pasok na yan.
meron pa ba? Last 3, meron pa dyan? O
Last
sige nga,
three.
try nga
Ito.
natin. O, try natin.
Sige.
Music!
Lang. Bak.
Grabe.
Bak.
Oh,
Pasok na.
pasok ka na! Meron pa dito! Dito tayo sa kabila naman. Sino bang bago dito? Ikaw, ma'am? O, sige, dito ka sa front. Okay, music! Hey! Oh, pasok ka na!
Oh, isa na lang.
Yes, last one na tayo.
Andito, coach.
Where are you? I
Coach,
can't see you.
nandito sa likod.
Ay,
Tingnan
ano
mo.
ka pala?
Ano
Ay,
to?
nakita
Bias.
na. O, sige.
Bias, oh. Tingnan mo.
Okay, ready?
Sige,
Music!
Bak. Sige na, anak ko. Sige
Tama
na.
Okay. Sige, dito tayo. Alright. Grabe. Gihangak ng kukosoy.
Grabe.
Gihangak dun ko.
Grabe ang mga dancer ngayon. Malaking pangangailangan.
Sample ka nga dyan. Sample ka nga. Ready? Coach Jan Ho. Sample. Music!
Music!
Oh, tama na, oy. Tama na.
Load na. Tama na.
Okay. Dito tayo sa front. Okay, forward po tayo. Step forward. Step forward tayo. Okay, just tell us your name and saang team ka. Dapat yung team, mag-ingay kayo, okay? Alright, sige, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Evangeline Balijo from Team Afi!
Wow, alright. How about, familiar to? Familiar, parang onliner ko to ah.
Yes, coach. Yes, I'm Joby from Team ABA!
Yan, ang ABA, yun. O, sige, dyan ka naman, coach.
Ayan, dito naman tayo.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Farhan Abdul Malik from Atomic Champ Trailblazers.
Ayan, dito. Parang kilala na to ng lahat. O, sige. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I am Oy! Hi everyone, I am Janet Yokte from Team AHQ!
Okay, dito naman tayo. Okay, familiar to. Murag guba. Sige, ang sa'yo name.
Oo, familiar kayo.
Same. Name and team.
My name is Romnek Valiente under ADI from Atomic!
Atomic.
Ayan, dito naman tayo kay Mami.
Yes, good morning everyone! From Negros Oriental, Team Atomic Team Marvel! Hello you guys!
Alright, next tayo. Name and team.
My name is Rafael Sakal. I team up one po.
Ay, chaba! Ah!
Team Charatsa, meron ba?
Kung saan, Team Kalansa? Ano yun, coach? Team?
Ay, sala, gikulbaan siya, coach.
Ah.
Ako,
Team Kalansa.
Kailangan nata siyang hug.
Hug, yeah?
Ay! Meron, sige lang.
I-hug mo ng
na,
hug.
Okay, sige.
Ah!
Alright, sige, asang team?
Kay Coach Mai.
Coach Mai. Okay, Atomics! Alright!
Ayan, dito.
Good morning, everyone! I am Grace Martillas from Team
Meron
sa inyo
pang
mga
isa.
pambato!
Meron pang isa.
Ay, meron pa ba?
Oo.
Sorry, ma'am. Ikaw pala yung una.
Hello everyone! I'm Josephine Digley from Pagadian! Atomic Fairness International!
Grabe! Alright, ngayon, Coach Jan, let's check the audience.
Let's
Are you
check.
all ready? Sa inyo mga pambato, if ready ka na, tumayo ka! Of course, pumalakpak ka!
Ayan! So sa lahat ng mga hindi pa tumayo dyan, tayo! Kung excited kayong banda dyan, tumayo! Are you excited?
Are you excited? Okay, now, let's have a dance showdown.
Dance
Sino
showdown.
kaya ang mananalo? Tama?
Yes.
Alright, ready na ba kayo? Ready na?
Ready na.
Ready na? Alright, music!
Music!
Alright, music tayo.
Music!
For our showdown. Hey, 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 hey! More!
Hoy! Hoy!
Ay, grabe!
Oy!
Grabe!
Oy!
Ay!
Mami, tama na! Magagalit si Daddy! Bak!
Grabe! Parang kulang. Okay,
Hindi
kulang.
basta-
No, isa pa. Isa pa daw.
Isa pa!
Okay, more energy music! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, lower, lower! Lower, 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 lower! Hey, lower!
Grabe! Hala! Hala! Hala!
Hala ka! Hala ka!
Hoy, ginoko! Hoy, ginoko!
At dahil dyan, kunin yung pangalan, lahat kayo panalo!
Lahat kayo, panalo!
Ay,
Ay!
panalo natin!
Ay! Offline!
Sabi, tama.
Magagalit si Daddy!
Alright, so claim your prizes sa gilid po.
Claim your prizes here!
Alright, so ngayon naman, Coach. Grabe. Okay, Coach John. Alright. Sige. Alright, sige. So i-claim nyo dyan sa gilid, no, yung soap. Nanalo kasi, alam mo ba, Coach John, sobrang ganda ng soap natin.
Yes!
Yes, alam mo ba that I am also a user of our product?
Yes!
Kitang-kita naman siguro yung ating mukha, no?
Yes naman. Nakikita nyo ba? Na
Yes.
gumagamit kami ng product sa AGG?
Alright, are you ready to dance our OBA theme song?
Are you
Familiar?
ready?
Alright.
Parang mahina ko, Saya. Balikan dito. Kasi ang hina ang hinang energy.
Lagyan to. Alright, so please po sa ating ano dyan.
Staff?
Alright, sige. Okay, sige. So ngayon, alright. So right now, let's proceed. Okay, wag mo nang umupo. We are not getting started yet. Tama ba?
Yes. Okay lang
Okay.
po ba na tumayo tayo?
Yes, tumayo tayo to prepare for our theme song kasi sasayaw na tayo.
Sasayaw tayo.
Yes, familiar ba kayo sa ating OBA theme song?
Familiar ba?
Ay, mahina. Taga-OBA ba ang lahat? Kung taga-OBA ka, excited ka na bang sumayaw?
Excited na ba ang lahat?
Woo! And right now. Okay. Alright. So they are all excited. So let us now call in, of course, our dancers. For our OBA theme song.
Okay, let's go! Ayan, so tatawagin ko si Coach Farhan from Iligan. Coach Farhan.
Alright. Okay, ready na.
Ayan, ready na ba ang lahat? Sumayaw!
Okay, stretching muna tayo. Energy check. Kaway, kaway! Alright, let's go. Eh, let's go,
Ah!
everybody!
Energy!
We start each day behind a screen, but what we build is more than it seems.
Pasok mo na yung coach.
From clicks
Hey,
to
hey,
care,
doon ka.
from
Chat
dreams
tayo.
to plan. OBA connects each heart to head.
Each lesson learned, each story told, turns digital space to heart of gold.
From screen to
drop it,
family, we find our way, building our future the OBA way. With faith and purpose and hearts that yearn, we grow together, we copy and learn. We copy and learn.
Online we meet, but real lives grow through every share. Our passion show. We lift each other side by side, from virtual roots to real world pride.
Through ups and downs, we choose to stay. With courage strong, we find our way. Each dream we chase, each goal we try. In OBA, one
Jump, everybody!
Miles through light and sound, in every home connections found. Our work, our dreams, our legacy, all born from screens turned family.
Let's jump,
From screen to
everybody!
family, we find our way. Building our future the OBA way. With faith and purpose
And
and hearts that yearn, we grow together, we copy and learn. We copy and learn. Online we start, together we grow. From screen to family, the OBA glow.
Online we start, together we grow, from screen to family, the OBA.
3, 2, 1, go!
From screen to family, we stand as one.
Happy 20th anniversary!
We grow together, we copy and learn.
Online we start, together we grow, from screen to family, the OBA. Online we start, together we grow, from screen to family, the OBA.
OBA!
OBA! OBA!
Thank you very much, Aya Aratan and John Rudolph Villalobos. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a day where dreams come alive, where champions are celebrated, and where history is written once again. Tonight, we gather not simply to celebrate another year. Tonight, we celebrate 12 powerful years of lives transformed, dreams fulfilled, families empowered, and leaders raised. What started as one bold vision has become a movement that continues to inspire thousands to dream bigger and to lead stronger and to rise. Now at submissions, I have one question. Are you ready? Kung ready ka nang mag-celebrate, sumigaw ka! Kung proud kang maging bahagi ng Atomic International, make some noise! energy that we're looking for. Because tonight, we celebrate every sacrifice, every late night, every challenge, every breakthrough, every success story, and every rising leader inside this room. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the grandest, the biggest, the most anticipated gathering of Online Business Academy. Welcome to the Atomic International 12th Grand Reunion, where we celebrate the rise. But before we begin this unforgettable celebration, before the lights, before the recognition, and before the excitement continues, let us first honor the one who made all of this possible. For every blessing, every opportunity, every breakthrough, and every victory, we give back all the glory to God. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Heather Sydney Empleo to lead us in our opening prayer.